Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Kuta Seaview Beach Resort Hotel hidden deals. So before we start looking into the hidden deals, we want to show you from google.com from the hotel. Actually Google search hotel, the Kuta Seaview resort or beach resort. The pricing ranging from 91 to 80, 95, 87, 96, even let's see, 68, 68. Some from 68 to 90 or even 100 plus 91. From booking.com we can see it is USD 165 included tax. So all the pricing here including tax. So another hotel booking website, Agoda, $92. Hotels.com, 88 including tax. This is Travelocity, 88 total also. Good tax, 82 from TripAdvisor. Expedia, 88. So we can see who are ranging from 88, 100 plus. So next, the hidden deals. The method only works for booking via desktop or laptop, and currently we are at Windows desktop. So we need to use Google Chrome browser. This is a very important step. We have to visit trending.tech, this website, because from here we are going to download the extension we required. Trending.tech. So the spelling trending.date. So trending.date. So from here we just need to click download. So it will bring us to the page where you can click the download and add to Chrome. Since we're on Chrome, add the extension. So after installation of the extension, we just need to close down all the unrelated tabs and only left those the original pricing for reference later. So trending.date after download, install. After installation, we need to visit booking.com. So visit booking.com from the extension itself. And we search for Kuta Seaview Beach Resort. The date, okay, for all the hotel searching just now, we are using 1st August to 2nd August. So we remain using the same date. After installation, at the new booking.com, this is booking.com tab, but from the extension itself, click from extension itself. The extension actually gives you there is one additional area where the extension will produce search and show you all the deals, cheapest deal for this Kuta Seaview for 1st to 2nd August. So from here, we can see the cheapest is Agoda, but Agoda just now originally without the direct going without the direct search without the extension is $92 we can see, but now it is being reduced to 71. The hidden deals is viewed as $71. So let's click the this Agoda search page. So it is 78 instead of 71 after adding all the text. So original one Agoda is 92. So from here we can see the deal is let's close down. Deluxe room 91, cheapest from Agoda, but from here after the coupon promo code or voucher automatically apply from by the extension agoda.com, the room for the last room become $77. So let us compare 91 and 77. The difference instant discount around, let me see, around $14. Yeah, $14 apply. So let us click the booking for demonstration, both the booking page, really both from the Agoda. This is with the extension. This is without. With the extension, $14 apply, 77 plus 83, and without the extension 91.42. So this is the instant hidden deals given after you install. Again, repeat trending.date. So we'll put the link inside the description of the video, trending.date. Just click and download. After that, you go to booking.com so that the search bar will appear, and wait for discount price automatically appear and apply the coupon. Then you can continue to book the hotel if you are happy with the discount. We close down. I'm going to show you some more. The original booking.com you see without the search. Now the new booking.com with the search extension. Apart from the let us click into this. Just close the Agoda with, since we already show you the demo. So we are going for the other demo. So they also appear here at the individual page, also appear 71, and the original is 92 for booking.com. 71, you can also click from here and show other deals. Of course, all those without the the highlighting is without having any discount. So you just go for those highlighted inside the frame, especially for those having the logo of the hot fire label. So apart from that, trade.com 85, 88, all those like 88 original price, 82, 88, 88 also. And so this is not sure what is this site, but you can try it out by yourself. But since Agoda is the one more established and trusted, so it is better to go for this instead of this online switchboot. What is switchboot? Not sure. This one is without extension. Around 72 from this switchbook. There are other deals, but apart from that, I want to show you this search bar also assists you to look into other hotel, which for the to ease your research on hotel, you can use this booking.com, and after this coming out, you can look for those having deals like this one 102 Anaya Resort Kuta. There is another deal, and 14 Kora Beach. If you want to go for budget hotel, $14, $17 Suka Beach. 23 apply for the original. So 1753. This one seems a good deal. 71 to 53. $2.59. You can use this to assist you to search for other hotels. So we only apply $14 apply. It some of course they didn't apply for you because extension will apply for those what you click here. Those hotel you click. Those without clicking, then don't think got any special discount. This 139. So for those without having the frame or the highlighting, that means it is based on the cheapest original without the hidden. You can search for 28 times 45. It is quite near the deal. For that again. Okay, let's say you saw these mobile deals. You need to click and fill your email address in order to get the deal because this is more special than the Agoda. This is only through email. 57 this, so 39, so it definitely will be cheaper than the original you go direct to Agoda as per demo just now. There's some difference between the price with or without the going through the extension. 73.51. So if there is no price, if the price is the same, best deal is just let you know it is the best deal here. Something more. How come this one difference a lot? Can search for other hotel. So $4 applied from the original Agoda. So if you want cheaper one, make sure you just download 29 about your So before ending, so don't forget to visit trending.tech to download the extension trending.tech trending.dat. I think that's all for the video today, and okay, bye bye.